You can make a thundering trumpet using a stiff straw, a plastic strip, a rubber band, some tape, scissors and an old card. Take a stiff straw. You can also use a piece from an old sketch pen. Place the plastic strip, a piece of transparency, and tie it with a rubber band. This transparency would have a flap which is going to vibrate and produce a sound. Now place it in your mouth and blow out to hear the sound. You can even suck in air from the other end to hear the sound. Next, take a old card sheet and roll it in the shape of a cone. Tape the small end and trim the big end to give it a good shape of a cone. Trim the small end too. Now this is your cone, and now you see inside. Now take the straw and put it in the short end, and your trumpet is ready. Put the vibrating flap in your mouth and blow out to hear a loud roar.